Standard 12th, Accountancy, Chapter number 5, Admission of a Partner. Question number 19 from exercise. Tappu and Sonu are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1:1. The balance sheet of the firm on 31/3/16 was as under. As you can see, the balance sheet liability side, Tappu and Sonu's capital is given, profit and loss is given, creditors and bad debt reserve is given. On the asset side, we can see goodwill, land building, machinery, stock, debtors, and cash balance is given. They admitted Goli as a new partner on the following terms. Goodwill is valued at rupees 54,000. You already know how to deal with the goodwill part. Bad debt reserve on data is to be maintained at rupees 10,000. Land building is to be increased by 10%. Book value of machinery is 25% more than its market value. Value of stock is to be reduced by 10%. Goli will bring his capital equal to 50% of net assets of the firm. Net assets means the capital of Tappu and Sonu. Okay, that will be 50%. The same balance carried down amount, the addition of Tappu and Sonu's balance carried down amount, the same amount will be brought by Goli. Okay, so 50% Goli's capital and 50% remaining Tappu and Sonu's capital. Goli will bring his share of goodwill in cash. Tappu sacrificed 1/3 of his profit, see here of is given, and Sonu sacrificed 1/6 share for Goli. Prepare necessary accounts and balance sheet, also determine new profit loss sharing ratio of all the three partners. Attaching you the solutions even. Okay. Hello everyone. Solution of question number 19. Chapter number 5. Admission of a partner. Here I am. So we'll start with the adjustments part. Okay. So the first adjustment is given as goodwill is valued at rupees 54,000. Okay. And in the very last adjustment, as we all know, if a new partner brings the amount of goodwill, okay, then we got to distribute in terms of sacrifice ratio. So refer to the last 7th point. Goodwill will bring, Goli will bring his share of goodwill in cash. That's given. Okay. Tappu sacrifices 1/3 of his share of his profit, and Sonu sacrifices 1/6 share for Goli. So they are both ready for sacrificing. One is given off. In case if off is given, as you can see, Tappu sacrifices 1/3 of his profit. So in case off is given means you got to multiply. The old ratio is 1:2, means 1/3. Tappu sacrifices 1/3 of his share, so it is 1/9. Tappu is sacrificing. Sonu is sacrificing 1/6. That is, it is given, Sonu is sacrificing 1/6. So that is 1/6. So from 1/9, 1/6, if we add this number, we will get the share of Goli. So 1/9 plus 1/6, getting the LCM, we got the ratio as 5/18. Okay. So we also find a new ratio. So old ratio was 1/3 of Tappu. We are sacrificing 1/9 minus 1/9, getting the LCM, I got the ratio 4/18. Sonu's old ratio was 2/3. Okay, she is sacrificing 1/6, so 9/18, new ratio. And Goli already we got 5/18. 2 plus 3, 5/18. The new ratio is 4:9:5. Okay, cutting answer 18. Okay. Now we want the sacrifice ratio. This is the sacrifice. 1/9, 1/6, 1/9, 1/6. Getting the base same. The sacrifice ratio is 2:3. Okay. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 54,000, giving the very first adjustment, as you have already seen. Okay. So we have admitted Goli for 5/18 share. So 54,000 5/18 is 15,000. So Goli brings the amount of 15,000 as goodwill in terms of cash. So the entry will be cash account debit to Tappu's capital to Sonu's capital. So where will we record this entry? Okay. Cash account debit side, what we will write to premium for goodwill. Amount is 15,000, and over here on credit side of partner's capital account by cash account, the bracket goodwill, or else you can also write premium for goodwill, but by premium for goodwill 6,000 and 9,000 means sacrificing ratio. Okay, then adjustment. Bad debt reserve on data is to be maintained at rupees 10,000. Bad debt reserve is given in the sum at rupees 16,000. Data is given at rupees 80,000. Data is given 80,000. Bad debts now we got to maintain is 10,000. So now it will be 70,000. BDR is already given in the sum worth rupees 16,000 liability side. Now the amount of BDR is less. If the amount of BDR is less means we are earning the amount of profit. So profit by BDR 6,000. Okay. If the value of BDR decrease, it is a profit. If the value of BDR increase, it is a loss. So here the value of BDR has decreased. Before it was 16,000. Now it is 10,000. So it decreased by 6,000. So we have earned a profit of 6,000. Next adjustment. Land and building is to be increased by 10%. Land building is given 3 lakh, increased by 10%. That is 30,000. Land building over here. Now it will be 3,30,000. Okay. Increasement is a profit and then transfer to asset side, adding the value on land and building. Book value of machine is 25% more than its market value. Whatever the amount of machine is given in the books, it is 25% more, means it is given at 125. So machine is given for rupees 1 lakh. I'll solve the adjustment. You have already copied this down. Okay. I'll rub it out. Book value of machine is 25% more than its market value. So machine is given 1 lakh. So the amount which is given as 1 lakh, it is at 125%. 25% more than its market value. Okay. So at 100%, what will be the amount? So what will you do? 1 lakh multiplied by 100 divided by 125. We'll get the answer as 80,000. We'll get the answer as 80,000. Okay. Means the machine value beforehand it was 1 lakh. Now it is 80,000. Means we have incurred a loss of 20,000. So to machinery 20,000, and now the value of machinery will be 80,000. Once again, I will like to explain you the same point. See what is given in the question. Book value of machine is 25% more. Whatever amount of machinery is given in the books, it is given 25% more. Means it is at 125. Okay. We got to bring it down to 100. So at 125 it is 1 lakh. So 100 it will be 80,000. I hope so you understand that. Okay. So beforehand it was 1 lakh. Now its value is 80,000. So we have incurred a loss of 20,000. Loss will come on revaluation on debit side. And now the value of the machine is 80,000. Okay. Next adjustment. Value of stock is to be reduced by 10%. Stock is given 40,000. It is reduced by 10%. Means a loss of 4,000. Now the value of stock is rupees 36,000. Incurring a loss of 4,000. Revaluation on debit side. Now the value is 36,000. Golly will bring his capital equal to 50% net assets of the new firm. This adjustment we will solve at the end. As at the end we will get the balance gain amount of Tattoo and so on. Both the amount we will plus out, add it up. Okay. The same amount Golly is ready to bring. Because 50% of this and the same amount 50% will be brought by Golly itself as a new partner with capital. Tattoo sacrifice is 1/3 of his profit and Sonu sacrifice is 1/6 for Golly, which you have already done. Now let us transfer the remaining amount of balance sheet. Capital is given over to balance brought down, partners capital on credit side. We'll write down 2 lakh, 3 lakh as capital is given in the equation. Then profit and loss is given. It is Creditors will directly transfer to liability side. Rupees 50,000. Asset side, goodwill is given, transferred to partners capital on debit side. 54,000 is given, so 18,000, 36,000. We are distributing this in old ratio. Old ratio is 1:2. Land building done, machine done. Stock is already done, data done. Cash balance is given 40,000. To balance got down 40,000. Let's close the account. I think this side is more, credit side 36,000. 36,000. 24 minus remaining is 12,000. To partners capital, Tappu and Sonu, 12,000 ratio of 1:2. That is 4,000, 8,000. This amount will be transferred from partners capital on credit side by the name of revaluation account. 4,000, 8,000. Let us bring the balance capital amount. 2 lakh plus 6, 2 lakh 6, 2 lakh 6 plus 16, 2 lakh 22, 2 lakh 26,000. 3 lakh 9,000, 3 lakh 41,000, 3 lakh 49,000. 2 lakh 26,000 and 3 lakh 49,000. Okay, from 2 lakh 26,000 we got to subtract 18,000. We will get the value as 2 lakh 8,000. From 3 lakh 49,000 we got to minus 36,000. We will get the value as 3 lakh 13,000. Okay, this is the balance carried down on. Okay, again I would like to read the last adjustment, second last adjustment, adjustment number 6. Goodwill will bring his capital equal to 50% of net assets of the new firm. While Goli is saying I will bring the amount of capital equal to 15% net assets of the new firm. 50% means mine will be 50 and yours both will be 50. Your adding will be 50, your both amount together will be 50 and mine will be 50. So I will add this particular amount. So 3 lakh 13,000 plus 2 lakh 8,000 is 5 lakh 21,000. So this amount will be brought by Goli. So by cash as capital, Goli is ready to bring 5 lakh 21,000 to Goli's capital. 5 lakh 21,000. Okay, how does it come? See, Tappu and Sonu's balance carried down 2 lakh 8,000 plus 3 lakh 13,000 is equal to 5 lakh 21,000. This amount is 50% amount. So remaining 50% will be got to 521,000 by gold. Okay. So let's close Goli's account. Transferred to liability side as a capital. Tappu, Sonu, Goli, 2 lakh 8, 3 lakh 13, 5 lakh 21, 10 lakh 42,000. Adding this up, 5 lakh 21,000 plus 15,000 plus 40,000. So the amount is 5 lakh 76,000. 5 lakh 76,000 by balance carried down 5 lakh 76,000 over to year cash bank 5 lakh 76,000 10 lakh 42 plus 50, 10 lakh 92,000, 5 lakh 76,000 plus 36,000 plus 70,000 plus 80,000 plus 3 lakh 30,000 equal to 10 lakh 92,000. I hope so. I am very much clear with the sum part. Few points which are new to you is that if off is given, okay, if off is given in finding the ratios, you got to multiply first of all, then you get the answer. This is the sacrifice amount. Okay, directly Sonu is given as 1/6. With the help of this, I have found Goli's new ratio. Okay, getting the LCM, I got 5/18. Okay, I have already found the new ratio. It's of no use, but still I have found the new ratio. Okay, sacrificing ratio by getting the base same. I find the sacrificing ratio as 2:3. Okay, goodwill valuation is 54,000. Goodwill valuation is 54,000. So 54,000 5/18 I did. The amount was 15,000. So if a new partner brings the amount of goodwill in terms of cash, we already learned the entry as such cash account debit to partner's capital account. In sacrifice ratio we have to distribute. So I have written cash account debit side the premium for goodwill 15,000, and on partner's capital credit side I have mentioned it that premium for goodwill 679 in the ratio of sacrifice 2:3. I have distributed that. Then after that, one more point was given as such of regarding the machinery. The market value, book value of machinery is 25% more than its market value. So whatever the amount of machinery is given in the sum, it is 25% more, means it is at 125. At 125 it is 1 lakh, so at 100 out of much it will be? It will be 80,000. So we have incurred a loss of 20,000. Loss means it will come on devaluation on debit side, and separating the loss from machinery I have recorded in asset side. Okay, and at the end it is asked that Goli will bring 50% of the net assets of the firm. So after transferring each and every account, okay, at the end we got the amount of balance debt out. This is the amount of Tapu and Sonu. It is 50% amount, and she will bring the 50% amount. Adding this up, I got the amount as 5,21,000. This is 50%. So remaining 50% will be brought by Goli. The same amount will be brought by Goli. I recorded on cash account debit side and partner's capital account credit side. Then carrying the sum. Okay. Then transferring this balance as a capital on liability side. Closing the cash account, whatever the balance we have got, transfer that on asset side, and then carrying the sum. Hope so you understood the sum. Solve this sum again and again. Okay. Because from question number 16 to question number 20. These are the most important sums which are very favorite for the board. Okay, so keep on practicing these sums again and again. Thank you.